Hello and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will explore the fascinating field of industrial organizational psychology. Have you ever wondered how psychology can be applied in the workplace to improve productivity, employee satisfaction, and organizational effectiveness? Well, that's exactly what industrial organizational psychology is all about. So, let's dive right in. Section 1. Introduction to Industrial Organizational Psychology. Industrial organizational psychology, often abbreviated as IOA psychology, is a branch of psychology that focuses on understanding and improving human behavior in the workplace. It applies psychological principles and research methods to enhance productivity, employee well-being, and organizational performance. Section 2. Employee Selection and Assessment. One of the key areas of focus in industrial organizational psychology is employee selection and assessment. Let's explore how psychologists contribute to this process. Subsection 2.1. Job Analysis. Job analysis involves systematically examining the tasks, responsibilities, and skills required for a specific job. Industrial organizational psychologists conduct job analyses to develop accurate job descriptions and identify the essential qualifications needed for successful performance. This information serves as the foundation for employee selection and assessment. Subsection 2.2. Psychometric testing. Psychometric testing is commonly used in employee selection to assess various aspects, such as cognitive abilities, personality traits, and job-related skills. Psychologists develop and administer tests to measure these attributes objectively, helping organizations make informed decisions about hiring, promotion, and training. Subsection 2.3. Interview techniques. Industrial organizational psychologists also contribute to the development of effective interview techniques. They design structured interviews that use standardized questions and evaluation criteria to ensure fairness and reliability. By minimizing bias and subjectivity, these interviews provide a more accurate assessment of candidates' qualifications and fit for the organization. Section 3. Employee Training and Development. In addition to employee selection, industrial organizational psychology plays a vital role in training and development programs. Let's explore how psychologists contribute to enhancing employee skills and knowledge. Subsection 3.1. Training Needs Analysis. Before designing training programs, industrial organizational psychologists conduct training needs analyses. They identify the knowledge gaps and skill deficiencies within the workforce, enabling organizations to target their training efforts effectively. By aligning training programs with specific needs, organizations can maximize the impact of their training investments. Subsection 3.2. Training Program Design. Industrial organizational psychologists apply principles of instructional design to develop effective training programs. They consider factors such as the learning objectives, content relevance, instructional methods, and evaluation strategies. By incorporating best practices in adult learning and utilizing technology, psychologists create engaging and impactful training experiences. Subsection 3.3. Evaluation and feedback. Evaluation is a critical component of employee training and development. Industrial organizational psychologists develop assessment tools and feedback mechanisms to measure the effectiveness of training programs. Through evaluations, organizations can identify areas for improvement and ensure that training initiatives are aligned with strategic goals. Section 4. Workplace Motivation and Performance. Motivation and performance are key factors in organizational success. Industrial organizational psychology provides insights into understanding and enhancing these aspects. Let's explore how psychologists contribute to fostering a motivated and high-performing workforce. Subsection 4.1. Motivation Theories. Industrial organizational psychologists study various motivation theories to understand what drives employees to perform at their best. Theories like Maslow's hierarchy of needs, expectancy theory, and goal-setting theory provide valuable insights into how organizations can create motivating work environments. Subsection 4.2. Employee Engagement. Employee engagement refers to the emotional commitment and dedication that employees have towards their work and the organization. Industrial organizational psychologists help organizations measure and enhance employee engagement through surveys, feedback mechanisms, and interventions aimed at creating a positive work environment. Subsection 4.3. Performance management. Industrial organizational psychologists contribute to the development of effective performance management systems. They design performance appraisal processes, establish performance metrics, and provide guidance on giving constructive feedback. By implementing fair and transparent performance management practices, organizations can foster a culture of continuous improvement. Section 5. Organizational development and change. Organizations are dynamic entities that constantly face challenges and changes. Industrial organizational psychology assists organizations in managing and adapting to these changes effectively. Subsection 5.1. Organizational diagnosis. Industrial organizational psychologists conduct organizational diagnosis to identify areas for improvement within an organization. They use methods such as surveys, interviews, and observation to assess organizational climate, culture, and communication patterns. This diagnosis helps organizations understand their strengths and weaknesses, facilitating targeted interventions. Subsection 5.2. Change management. Change is inevitable in today's fast-paced business environment. Industrial organizational psychologists play a crucial role in managing organizational change. They provide insights into the psychological processes that individuals and teams go through during change and develop strategies to minimize resistance and promote successful adaptation. Subsection 5.3. Leadership development. Effective leadership is essential for organizational success. Industrial organizational psychologists contribute to leadership development programs by identifying leadership competencies, conducting assessments, and providing coaching and feedback. These initiatives enhance leadership skills and foster a positive and productive organizational culture. Section 6. Work-life balance and well-being. Industrial organizational psychology recognizes the importance of work-life balance and employee well-being. Let's explore how psychologists contribute to creating healthier and more satisfying work environments. Subsection 6.1. Work-life balance initiatives. Industrial organizational psychologists work with organizations to develop policies and initiatives that promote work-life balance. This includes flexible work arrangements, wellness programs, and initiatives to reduce work-related stress. By supporting employees in achieving a healthy balance between work and personal life, organizations can improve job satisfaction and retention. Subsection 6.2. Occupational health and safety. Occupational health and safety are paramount in any workplace. Industrial organizational psychologists contribute to ensuring employee well-being by conducting risk assessments, developing safety training programs, and fostering a culture of safety. By prioritizing employee health and safety, organizations create a conducive work environment. Industrial organizational psychology plays a vital role in enhancing workplaces and driving organizational success. By applying psychological principles and research methods, psychologists help organizations make informed decisions in employee selection, training, motivation, and organizational development. Through their efforts, they contribute to creating positive work environments that maximize productivity, satisfaction, and well-being. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.